Train yourself to sleep in a better position. Going to sleep in the wrong position can put stress on your spine and increase your chances of snoring and having acid reflux, when stomach acid travels up from your tummy towards your throat, causing a burning sensation in your chest known as heartburn, both of which can mean disturbed and poor quality sleep. Plus, bad postural habits where your spine is constantly thrown out of its natural alignment is not good for your body in the long term. And if you're pregnant, there are certain sleep positions which help to keep your blood flowing as your baby grows and may be more comfortable for you. If you want to try out a new sleeping position, it's important to realize that your body will need time to adjust. You can make things more comfortable with blankets or pillows and the strategies we discuss below, but you'll need to be patient while your body gets used to the new position. Looking for something? Ask away. Type symptoms or questions. Search. Healthily Guides. Self-care. Smart Symptom Checker. Healthily App. Language. Blog. Press. Careers. Contact. Sleep. Medically reviewed. What is the best sleeping position for a good rest? March 15, 2021, 9-minute read. How well you sleep can be affected by the position you sleep in, whether that's on your tummy, back or side, and which side. Dr. Adil Hoffman. Dr. and Nainan. Reviewed by Dr. Adil Hoffman and Dr. and Nainan. In this article. Video, try side sleeping. Train yourself. Best sleeping position. Second best position. Least popular position. When to see a doctor. Doctor's top tip. Sleeping in the right position for you means waking up feeling rested without any aches and pains after a night of undisturbed sleep. Sleeping in the wrong position can lead to stiffness and pain in your back, neck, arms and legs, all of which leaves you feeling tired and unable to function in the day.